Hello 18! Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for clicking this video. SB19 made the history again dahil heto nga, nakaka-proud. First time ever ang SB19 Filipino Act, isang cover sila at content at featured sa isang Niyot magazine na isang prestiyosong magazine sa buong mundo at buong Asia. Ano nga ba ang kwento ng Niyot magazine? Saan ito originated? At heto nga ang ating discovery. Heto na mabasa. Niyot Magazine or Niyot Magazine is a prominent Tokyo-based web magazine and media platform that is famous in alternative, youth, and creative culture. It has been dedicated following among millennials and Gen Z, but operates in a niche scalar rather than being massive mainstream publication. Heto nga ang SB19 ay gumawa na naman ng history about sa Pilipinas at Asia dahil first time ang isang Filipino act o singer or boy band featured sa isang Niyot magazine na nakabase sa Tokyo, Japan. Yes, that is correct. The internationally acclaimed chart-topping P-pop group SB19 made history as the very first Filipino act to be featured in the Japanese digital publication. O diba, ito ay Japanese digital publication na magazine. Featured ang ating mahalima. At yan po na isulat at na-publish ng Niyot Magazine ang historic feature nila. Kung bakit na-featured, kung bakit content ang ating mahalima sa naturang online magazine at digital publication na nakabase sa Tokyo, Japan. Samantala, na ito ang ibang informasyon about Niyot Magazine, the make extreme neutral philosophy, cultural influence, global collaboration, archival and event presence at marami pang iba. At malayo na ang narating ng ating mahalima sa mundo ng musika sa Japan. At ayon sa survey, at ito ang legit, number 1 ang Amerika in terms of music at number 2 ang Japan. Pangalawa ang Japan sa pinakamagandang musika sa buong mundo at buong Asia. Di kalidad ang sa Japan in terms of Dolby Digital Sounds.
Watch out for her dark side. Yeah, she got some sharp eyes. See her for the first time. Never let her out my sight. I just wanna stay